Oh, hi there, everyone. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Come along with me while I take you on a Jamaican cooking experience that you will never forget. I will be doing
my niece's favorite stewed chicken,
Jamaican style.
Now, hi family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. Now guys, it's gonna go down today. I have 10 pounds of leg quarter that I have cleaned, washed, seasoned, and people, you can check this link right above here. You can see how I clean and wash and season my chicken. Guys, to that I've added some browning, marinated. Guys, it's well marinated. It has been marinating for over a week. So guys, I am going to begin the cooking process, and I will do this into 2 different pots and then combine them in 1 pot. So guys, you can see I have about a 1/3 cup of cooking oil in the pot, and I've added to that the seasoned chicken, and I'm just gonna stir this in to start the frying process so you can get quality flavor in your chicken. And you see that something in the garlic when you put in the oil, people, it adds flavor to the chicken when it is being fried. So you might be wondering, what's the difference between brown stew chicken and stew chicken? This name stew chicken, people. We put on the browning in it and we rub it in, and then we are going to basically allow it to slow cook until the chicken is tender. So we're not brown it up, we're not fry it up. We're just gonna allow the browning to color the chicken and the well seasoned meat to just cook until it is juicy, succulent, and tender. So guys, you continue to stir this, and to that I'm gonna add 2-inch piece of ginger that is finely chopped. Now family and friends, I know you are excited. We're almost at 200 and over subscribers. So people, remember, share this channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. And when they subscribe, tell them to drop in the discussion who recommend them to the channel, because people, I tell you, I got some surprise coming up for you. As soon as we hit that 200 and over subscriber, then you know, say the gifts them are gonna start roll out. I have some people like Azric Abe, #1 supporter from day 1. So guys, I've combined both chicken in 1 pot, and all the juices from the seasoned chicken, guys, I've added it to the pot, and I'm just gonna cover it and move this from the stove top onto the oven. It's a big pot, guys, so this cannot be cooked on the stove top. I have to put it in the oven where the burner is wider. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna cover it up, leave it at 400 degrees, and allow it to cook. Now people, remember, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment in the section below, turn on your post notification bell, because a whole heap of good nice Jamaican food I will be preparing on this channel. Now guys, after 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's almost ready, so I'm just gonna do a taste check, guys. Man, this is real Jamaican stew chicken. It nice already. All right, so I'm gonna cover this and move this to the stove top. It's already at the desired tenderness, and so I'm just gonna remove all the sauce from the chicken, because guys, this is what I want, flavor, because my chicken is already flavorful right down to the bone. So remove all the juices from the chicken, and to that, guys, I am going to add my seasoning. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of blended green season and 2 large carrots sliced and covered to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will add an assortment of bell pepper, my onions, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some all-purpose season, about a 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix this in and allow it to simmer. Guys, when this is all done, I'm gonna add this back to the chicken that was cooked with 2 tablespoons of butter. Now, guys, my sauce looks wonderful. I'm gonna pour this over the chicken. I'm gonna toss it and allow it to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. If only you could smell all of this goodness in this pot. Guys, if you've never done stewed chicken before, why not try it today? It is another of my favorite from my pot onto my daughter's table. It was an enjoyable experience in the kitchen doing stewed chicken Jamaican style for you. I want to tell someone, do not worry. My food for thought is from Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plan to prosper you and not to harm you. Plan to give you hope and a future. What a promise.